Welcome to Buildawebs, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can add credit card payments to the checkout in Woocommerce. So if you see here, I've currently got cash on delivery set up, but we want the option to pay by card. So I'll show you how you can do that. So you can do that by going and installing Woocommerce Payments. The benefits to the site owner is basically it's free to set up and you only pay per transaction. There's fees per transaction and they're all in here. I've put this link in the description so you can check by all these different countries what the fees would be. And then it supports multi-currency. You can pay by Apple Pay, Google Pay. Instead of going out of your website into another payment processor, it's all done in the dashboard and you get paid out daily. So all that works well. But for the customers pay directly on the store. They can see the prices and pay in their preferred currency, and they can save their credit card details by using this. So it's a faster checkout in future. So that's the benefits. So let's look at how you can set the payments up. So the first thing you'll want to do is go into your WordPress backend. Make sure you have WooCommerce installed. You can do that by going to plugins and adding it in there. And then next go into WooCommerce and then go to settings. And then go to the payments tab. And what you want to do against WooCommerce Payments, you want to click install. The next thing we're going to do is click finish setup. We're basically going to create an account. We're going to create a Stripe account and then we're just going to finalize it. So it takes all these payments, so you can see they're the main sort of payment providers. So what we're going to do is click finish setup. And then you land on this page and we're going to put our email address in that we want to sign up on. So I'm just going to use that and then click continue. Choose a username and put a password in. And create your account. You could also have done that with Google or Apple, so on. And then it basically authorizes the connection. And then you land on this page here where you're going to put your mobile phone number and your email address and click continue. And you're basically going to verify the account. You'll get a text, put the number in, and then we start with the rest of the setup. So then I'll put the code in. And it's verified. Choose which country you're from. Choose the type of business. You could choose individual, sole trader, company, and then you can select which type of company you are, or you could choose non-profit. I'm just going to choose individual sole trader and then click continue. And then fill out your information and then click continue and then choose the industry. So I'm going to go clothing accessories, choose continue. Choose the currency you want to operate in. I'm going to choose pound, but you can choose whichever you want from there. And then it's a case of putting your bank account information in, clicking save, and then you can review the information and then it's all set up. And then you can review your information and then submit, and then the process is done. So now we're going back to WordPress. Yeah, there you can see it's all set up. So if we head into the actual store, I'll just refresh. You can see that we've now got credit card, debit card enabled, which we can put the card number in, the rest of the information, and place the order. So if you want to just leave it as that, and then you can start taking payments on your store. If you want to see how you can test the card details, follow along here. So what you can do is you can go into Woocommerce and settings again, go to payments, and then when you scroll down you can click enable test mode and then just choose to save the changes. And then when we go back to the site, refresh, choose credit card on delivery, we can then use this in test mode. So copy this number, paste it into here, and then let's put some numbers in here. You put any numbers you want in there and then choose place order. And then it confirms we've paid by credit card, as it says there. And then to process the order, let's say for example, so first of all, go to WooCommerce, then go to orders, and you'll see that this order's come in here 22 seconds ago. Just click on it to go in. And let's say for example, the order's been received and it's been sent out, and when it's been received by the customer, as in it's been delivered, we could go in here and we could change it from processing to completed and click update, and that's that there. If you want to see where you can try out hosting for completely free without a credit card, head over to buildawebs.com/cloudwares. There's a link to that in the description, so check it out. If you want to see future videos where we go through WooCommerce and all sorts of other things, please like and please subscribe. I'm Jonathan from Buildawebs, and thank you for watching the video.